I got the Bass Camp sign. This is Bass Camp right below the Whitman Dam.
Her jacket. Oh, wait a minute, I don't see nothing. There she is. Wait. Oh, Ronnie, where's the zoom on here? The zoom must be on or something because she's too close. This thing? Here, wait, I gotta get this right. There, we got it. Okay.
Come here, Rich.
Good deal.
Get looking.
There's Rich.
On it.
No, that's Ronnie. Oh God, well I can't tell in here. There's Richard. There's Richard.
We gotta see this up here.
And there's Ronald. And there's Margaret.
Judith.
Somebody should take a picture of Judith.
Give me that. I'll take a picture of you in the boat.
No shit.
Give me that.
See if we get out of the boat and I'll follow.
No, you stay in a boat once. I'll take a picture of you in the boat.
Stay in the boat once.
Yeah.
We'll probably.
Wait, I gotta wait. I get put my glasses on. Han, have you got me?
Really close now.
Real close.
Boy, you're gonna see you right up.
Good deal.
And
Got
don't
my
raise your
boots,
arms
got
too
my
much.
arms,
Yeah, don't raise your arms.
Got it all. Everything. Look at him. Look at him looking away. Shut it off now.
Okay, we got her. You got a picture of the boat, didn't know.
Here we go. Ronnie, are we? Wait, I can't see you. Oh, okay. Wait, there you are. Are we out of gas?
Yeah, we're out of
We're out of gas again. Will you do, Richard?
Here, just put it over there.
This is. Well, is this ever a crew or what is
ain't
this?
Sorry, sight.
This is the final.
What are we doing here?
This is the final adjustment, right
What
here.
are we doing
In
really
the
here?
boatyard. We're looking for a dredge or whatever.
Fish line out.
You better get her.
Not
Turn
real.
off.
Get marked.
What?
Get back here and take a picture of her.
We are not really stalled here, Ronnie.
Yeah, we are. We're drifting.
We are not. Well, I know we're doing. Hi, Margie. Hey, just hey, shake a finger or something.
They're drifting down.
Hi. Okay. This is
I can see
Margie.
you taking that stuff
This
home
is
and showing these people. What's
Richard,
Jesus
what people?
Christ.
There's no
People.
people. I'm
There
going
are
to
no
show this
people.
shit too. There is no people other
Yeah, I
than
suppose
my
not.
kids. That's the only one I'm going to show anything to. You know, unless somebody else asks me, I'll say, well, this is the way it. This is it.
This is how they live.
This
up
is
there.
how they live up there. They recuperate.
Yeah,
They
right.
spend all their day. You know, I told you, I heard that with these. It's on now.
Let's go.
Well, now the thing. Okay, I got it. Got it. There he is.
Pointed at me.
Jesus Christ.
You got a hawk up
This
there.
is a
flying
hawk.
600
Get
feet up in
Up,
the air.
it was up there somewhere.
600 feet in the air. And you
Take a
can zoom
picture
in.
of the bluffs and stuff.
Here's Marge.
Get it off me.
Why not? Why? You know, I gotta have this stuff. I gotta have this. Ronald. What? Ronnie.
Knock off of Ronald.
Why else call you Ronald? Well, look at me. I bet you nobody else calls you that, huh?
That water is
That-
cold
that-
there.
Jesus, that's
It never
been no
warmed
summer,
up.
no.
Say hi, Judy.
Hi, Judy, you little sweetheart. You.
Would you listen to this? Where'd that water just come from?
Put
You
his
asshole.
camera away so you don't get it all messed up.
This is Richard, the one that's throwing water on me. I think, you know, I think the only reason we're sitting here is because
Ran out of gas.
we can't go anywhere
That's it.
else.
We ran out of gas. That's it.
Is this it? Oh, Jesus. Here, let's turn this thing off. I don't.
40 horse
this-
heaven. What'd you pay for that one?
What is this now? Okay, this is Fountain
That's
City.
Fountain City. Yeah.
Coming into Fountain City at what evening? It's like, what,
No, I ain't got a goddamn.
7 o'clock? Rich is sitting back there bitching because he got his damn hat wet.
Dry now.
Okay.
8 o'clock?
But other than that, we're having a
It's
good
8 o'clock.
time.
This is Fountain City at 8 o'clock.
This is good. Mm-hmm. Well, Ronald, you could go a little bit
You know,
more
the best
you
picture of Fountain
faster.
City you can get.
Up at the
North end of the, north end coming down. That's the
or
best
up at
thing.
the home. Oh, up at the
No.
home. Oh,
On the river, coming down the river.
Yeah, well.
Up on the hill.
That's the best thing to do, coming down the river.
Yeah.
Because then you can really get
That's,
the picture. of
and
Fountain
there's the
City.
most, that's the best, well, whatever.
well, okay. This is the best I can do. You know, this is for me only anyway.
That's if you go up that
This is-
Blessings.
My kids are gonna look at this and
Hi,
say,
guys.
uh-huh, uh-huh,
That's if you go up
uh-huh,
that Blessings up there.
uh-huh,
Oh, yeah, right.
uh-huh. Hey, let's get these guys on here. I cannot believe it. Here we got Tammy and,
We have 4
okay.
12 people.
Where the hell they come from? Hmm?
It's a classic is what it
Treat
is.
them now.
It's a classic.
Is this good? I hope the hell I'm getting this, Ronnie. You know, I really don't. You know, I can't tell.
You guys are getting your picture taken now.
Tammy, wave.
58.
Tammy, wave. Don't get me the damn finger, just wave.
Hey, where are you guys going down? Are you guys going? You're going back? Are you going? Oh, we just come from there.
Well, we're going back there.
We was in Knott's first and the Bay's End, and
Well, you,
are you
look
guys?
at this.
Are you guys going back tonight?
Oh God.
Hey, yours, Ronnie? Of course we are.
Back where, Ronnie? Back where?
Well, we have to go.
I mean, when you talk about people going back, what do you mean going back where,
Buffalo
honey?
City. It's Buffalo City for us.
Well,
you know?
yeah, but you say to them, "Are you going back tonight?" What do you mean?
Well, some of these guys
Going
are.
back where? They live in Fountain City. Lori, wave. Wave, honey. Good deal. Good deal. There they go. There they go. I hope the hell I have got this. You know, if the arrows are going,
You got it.
will you listen to this shit? What?
Give you a moon.
Who did?
Is that
Oh,
right?
do it! Do it again, Lori! Do it again, Lori!
Come
Come on, one more time! Hurry up! Come on! No, I didn't get it. One more time! One more time, honey!
You got it all already.
Oh, shit! Oh, I probably got it already.
You got it already.
Oh, God, is she a... Well, that's like, what's their names when we were out?
That's Billy. Billy. What is
No,
Billy?
that we were on a sandbar. Oh,
A lot of Scott and
your
Sandy.
kid, you know, then
Scott
and they
and
were
Sandy, my
one of the
kid.
barges. The barges. Oh, I went out there and did this. Hi, honey. Oh, wait.
Watch out, you're gonna break the goddamn
Wait.
bottom out of the boat.
Turn that off.
I don't
Judy.
want to. Richard, look at now. Just look at me and say, "Hi."
This used to be a real good wing dam.
This
right
used
here.
to be a good boat.
This is one of the best wing dams right here.
So,
We used to get a lot of good walleye out of this wing dam.
This one?
Right here.
oh
This one.
God.
There's a little short one right up here. A little
This
bit.
one here, we used to troll this all.
Still on, Judy.
It can't be. I just turned it off.
The red light's still on.
Use this
I
baby.
did that. I did.
You better eat. Hey, all right.
Just look at me one time, honey. Good deal. Okay.
I live the life wine I'm not back there for one.
It's kind of like slow motion.
Success for me ain't just around the corner. I thought my social plan would help me make the time.
You know, you're supposed to be saying where we are, Ronnie. So I know.
Don't get excited, Judy. Don't get excited.
Of the drunken life, Joe. Yeah, all my social friends look down their noses. For I get the wine threw away the road.
She's sick.
Light's not. Oh, there it is. Yeah.
This is me and Judy. Me and Ron and Judy. Just about to lock through at Elma. This is a shot of Elma and the dam.
Live wells ready to use. See the popular 17-foot troll fish and 16-foot back troller. Powered by 1992 Evinrude Outboards. Al Specialty Marine, your Evinrude Outboards dealer on Highway
This
63
is the-
North in Rochester and Your FM music leader for Ridgewood.
When she was 20, she thought she was ready. Now she's not so sure.
It looks so damn dark.
Now she's feeling like there's something more. Is there live for tomorrow. She's never learned how to live for today. Oh, she's dying to try
And we're going through the locks here.
something crazy or just scared away. Oh, something where our cell phone can change. Is there
I tell you, I just keep knocking things over.
She's got what she should she do what she likes. She doesn't want me, she's just wondering if there's a place in the sun that she's never been, where life is fair and time is a friend. But she knows the same as she did back then. Oh, she looks out her window
This is a sandbar we stopped on about 4 miles above Alma. We stopped here to eat and have a couple beers.
You have the zoom. I guess you have the zoom on because you're awfully close, hon. There, we got him. There's my honey. Uh-huh. Isn't he cute? Isn't he cute? This is so nice. You know, it takes a long time to fill up one of these tapes. You know it? Now see, Ronnie, it's not shutting off. What?
It's on.
I know. Oh, okay.
Now push that.
Now is it off?
No, push the one on the red one on the front.
I did that. You know, I'm gonna.
Pardon me. I need
Now just keep doing something. You know, just keep moving around, honey. Okay.
Would you wrap them in some paper and bowl? For a long time, I forgot how
Here comes the chicken.
much
Huh.
them.
Are you gonna put that on there already? Are you gonna put that on already now? Oh yeah.
It'll be a little while.
Oh, that's what I thought. I thought you were gonna put them on now. It's not ready.
Sweet red roses, heaven knows that she deserves the very best.
You feel like a movie star, hon? Huh, do you? Just like Clint, huh? Just call me Clint. What a guy.
Shut that thing off. You're gonna wear it out.
Why? No. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. In the car.
This is, yeah, real. You know, we need a picture of our first invention. This is a new recipe, right? Shake and bake chicken, hon. Shake and bake.
Because an easy street might lead you astray. I'll take the dirt road. It's all I know. I've been a walking it for years. It's gone where I need to go. It ain't easy. It ain't supposed to He said, son, you're a wise, young, ambitious man. Will you sell your father-in-law your Klondike? So now he's a miner, that's good, digging in the cold, old ground. The greedy fool is looking for the gold I never found. And it serves him right, and no one here is missing him.
Wash your hands now, hon. Wash your hand. You gotta wash your hands now. Just show us how it's done. Yeah, there you go.
I only possess you. There goes my everything.
You got her, kid. You got her, baby.
No. Do you know what day it is?
Monday.
Monday.
It's Monday. Don't ask the date.
These days, and the coffee is cold, and he's 50 years old, and he's gotta learn to live some other way. At the cafe down on the corner, but they lost.
You know, it was 8 o'clock when we got here. I looked at my watch. It was 8 o'clock and you said an hour. That's 9 o'clock now, Ronnie.
He's just a little out.
Oh, we're still sitting here.
I don't know what I'm focusing on here. I'm getting nothing. Hey, there we go. There we go. There's Judy. There's Judy. I just picked her up in this camera.
I'm getting a nothing.